So this is a loading technique to the palm. So you're going to cover right where the knuckles bend, down here, thumb, and also pinky side, and anywhere else in between. You're going to need a ball and a surface to place the ball on top of. So what you're going to do is just find an area that's sensitive. This is called the seek and destroy method. So I'm seeking an area that's sensitive, which is right there, and in order to destroy it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a little bit more pressure on top of it by using my opposite hand. So I'm going to take a deep breath in, I'm going to exhale, and then just apply some pressure downward until it melts and desensitizes. And then I can continue to find another spot. So I'm going to find another spot. I feel it on my pinky side. Same thing. Take a breath in. Exhale, apply pressure until it melts and desensitizes. Notice how my fingers just kind of relax. That's ideally what you want to do, is just relax your fingers as you apply the pressure. The second technique you can do is more of a pin and stretch technique. So you're going to do the exact same thing. You're going to find the area that's sensitive by scanning the area. Once you feel it, you're going to hold it there, relax the fingers, apply the pressure, and now as you pin it down, you're going to stretch it out by moving the finger. So I'm going to take one finger and bring it all the way up, and then slowly relax that and just change each digit until I feel some good amount of pressure into that tissue where I can tolerate that load and it's super sensitive, and just manage that. Pinky side and then lower it down. If you want to take all the fingers together, you can just pry all the fingers back while you're still adding and pinning the ball down with your palm, and then slowly relax it. Another method you can try is you can put a little bit more weight over it. So since I'm kneeling, I can actually stand up a little bit, apply the pressure, and then now shift my body weight on top, hold that, and then actually bend my elbow or straighten it out. That might actually add a little bit more load to it. And then another variation is actually trying to twist the ball down into the table a little bit more. So I'm just going to find an area that's sensitive, which is right there, add some load, relax my fingers, and then just kind of twist, add a twisting motion.